Okay, check out the strangest damn thing I think I've ever seen. Welcome to Slinky for Microbes. Where I wish I could get more of it in focus at the same time. Look at this thing. That is just, oh, sinister creepy. There is no precedent for how creepy this thing is. So, how does it go? It's slinky, it's fun for girls and boys, except I don't think this particular slinky would be very much fun for anybody to play with. For one, it's too tiny, and for two, it's probably pathogenic. Anyway, this critter, this is on that same slide that I thought would be kind of dead by now, is actually not dead at all. In fact, there are a fair number of large size and very active and apparently rather healthy protozoans swimming around on it. This is not a protozoan. This, to me, looks like a bacterial chain of spirillum type spirochete, and it's just endlessly repeating, so it gets longer and longer and longer, and you would think that it is a single organism, which I suppose it could be, but no, that's just too many turns. The threading is too complex for this to be, in my admittedly uneducated opinion, for this to be anything but a multi-organism. Yeah, that's just, wow, that's just so bizarre. I mean, when you back out on the power, it just looks like a thread twisting around. It looks like a typical, well, very small, obviously, but it looks sort of like a nematode, under lower power. Except by lower power, I mean like several hundred times. This is bananas crazy high. What you're looking at there is like the third of the diameter of a red blood cell, so you're talking about very, very tiny here. This is oil. Oh, actually maybe smaller than that. This is oil. This is all the way up. So this is way, way down, which is why I can't get but only a small percentage of it in focus at any one time, is because it's the depth is too deep. If I had, just the water sample, cover slip, and slide, then the depth might be more shallow and I might not have so much trouble, but of course this has a petroleum jelly barrier to keep it from drying out, which is what I owe this discovery to in the first place. Had I not done that, I never would have seen this guy. This was a chance finding, and in fact, it probably wasn't there to start with. It probably grew. If my theory is correct, then this is a multi-unit organism here. This is composed of many bacteria, spiral-shaped bacteria end to end, many, and therefore, when the slide was first made, this wasn't even here. It had to grow. So yeah, if I had done a regular slide with just a cover glass, the sample, and the slide itself, then I never would have seen this. I suppose I could have got lucky and found it naturally in another sample, but yeah, I usually don't do that. I take a sample, I do a couple of slides, and it's out of my system that fast, because I pretty much figure I've cataloged everything. Well, obviously not. Yeah, isn't that just freaky? There is no precedent for this dude. I've never seen anything like this before anywhere. Not on Google even. Not even on the sites that I get viruses from. Yeah, this is just crazy. It's just crazy. Yeah, I should amend that. Not even on Pirate Bay. Yeah, well, anyway. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, thanks for watching my video of nature's tiniest phone cord, and thank you for watching. Hope you were as freaked out by this as I was, and see you next time. Bye for now. Week. This should have horror movie music to it. This should have, like, the music from 28 Days Later on it. Or Resident Evil. Look, it's the T-virus. Anyway, bye for now. Thanks for watching, as always.